What do you think? Are we going to have a good day today?
I think we're going to have a great day today.
I think we're going to have a good day today. We just went on a really nice hike. It was a lot of rock climbing, which was
A lot of rock climbing.
new and a little scary for me, but it was really, really cool.
It was our last hike of our trip here, and I love the fact that the bookends of our trip was these two beautiful hikes that came at absolutely the right time, the right day, and the right type of hike.
Yeah, we had some really nice hikes in the beginning and the end, and obviously everything in between.
The whole trip
And-
was great, but really stands out that we start and end the perfect way.
With beautiful summit hikes, yeah. And now we have some exciting plans in the local town for the rest of the night, so that should be really, really cool. And I think we're really excited to spend some time there.
Yeah.
For our afternoon in Bar Harbor, we wandered around for hours, relaxing by the water at a local park and looking at the shops and amazing work of local artisans. We just really enjoyed taking a moment to do some slow exploring. Mike came here on a trip as a child, and it was so special to watch him recall different memories of a place that we could now share together. The main point of this excursion was to go to an adorable movie theater that makes custom pizzas. After days of camping and hiking, this was such a treat.
So it's really early.
We had to get up really early, pack up everything, and leave the campsite
In the dark.
because we're on to our next destination. We're gonna have a really nice vegan breakfast at the local town, and it's gonna be delicious. I'm really excited.
I can't wait. We've been looking forward to this since maybe breakfast yesterday.
And then later we're headed to a bucket list destination for me. I'm so excited. It's a botanical garden with this really cool environmental art installation, and we get to hunt for trolls, and I'm very excited. It should be really fun. And then we're headed to our next official destination, so big day.
Lots of driving again. Can't wait.
Oh boy. The trolls hiding in this forest are called the guardians of the seeds. They are here to protect the trees and future trees, reminding us that a future with no trees is no future at all. They are incredible to see in person, and they even have space to house woodland critters in their ears and noses. This place was full of such whimsy, it felt like time stopped as we explored. With the trees blowing, it's like you can hear her breathing. It's so cool. So we spent most of the day driving from Maine, and now we're here back in New York. But instead of going home, we booked this little camping trip with my family. And I'm just really excited to be with family again and have this little last adventure before we go home. Do you hear that?
What?
Do you hear the wings of that bird?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So while we were in the Catskills, there was a general store that had these little geodes. So we're gonna break one open and see what's inside. You almost hit
I did not.
Yes, you did.
Do you want to try again?
No. You just swung it. This?
Yeah.
Okay. No, don't hold it. I feel like you're gonna get hurt. See? I don't like that idea. I don't know. I mean, I guess we can just whack it.
Go for it.
Okay.
Can I give it a shot?
Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. I feel like I don't need to say we're about to take a shower.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Good enough.
This is just...
Okay. Try again.
Oh, it's fine. So what's your plan here? To just do it again?
Yep.
Okay. Rhododendron, I guess, bloom in April because that says that their nickname is April Rose.